identify n of A intersection B. Okay, listen carefully. I can apply the note. Okay, I can apply the note n of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. Okay, just we'll rearrange the formula. Okay, actually in the result we see the formula that n of A union B, but in the note they will give the other idea that n of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. Just we can substitute. Now we can substitute the values. N of A is equal to 25 and n of B is equal to 40. N of A union B is equal to 50. Now we can simplify 25 plus 40, that is 65. 65 minus 50, which is equal to 15. 1 5. So that is 15. That is 15. Shown in adjustment, right? So the video is clear, sir. Sir, the video is clear.
Sir, no, sir. You're still on the screen, sir.
Sir, it's visible, sir.
Sir, not visible, sir. Not clear, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Sir, just a minute, sir. Sir, just a minute, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, can you hear me? Kekada, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, okay, sir. Sir, you are visible, not clear, sir. Ah, yes.
So now it's clear.
Sir, clear, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. I think now it's clear to you all. Okay, fine. What's the given information? N of A equal to 25 and N of B is equal to 40. Then N of A intersection B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay, N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. Just you can substitute the value and you can simplify. 65 minus 50, that is equal to 15. Okay, N of A intersection B is equal to 15. Next, we want to identify N of union. Okay, that N of universal set. Number of element is the universal set. Next, we will apply one more result. What's the one more result now? Is involving with B and B dash. They will given B and B dash. That N of universal set equal to N of B plus N of B dash. Okay, N of B plus N of B dash. Already know the result. Actually, they will given N of universal set equal to N of A plus N of A dash. But the same idea I can apply for other set also. That's why you'll apply N of B plus N of B dash. N of B is equal to, that N of B is equal to 40. N of B is equal to 40 and N of B dash equal to 25. B dash equal to 25. 40 plus 25. 40 plus 25 is equal to 65. 65 is the answer. Okay, that N of U is equal to number of element in the universal set equal to 65. Copy this problem. So I think few person only having some problem. Just you can reconnect to the Zoom, then you can have a clear video. Yeah. Because a lot of members is visible. Only the few person has some problem. Exit from the Zoom. Again, you can reconnect and have a clear network connectivity. This is only the idea for the first one, first subdivision. Once you are finished, you can try the second subdivision. The same idea, but for the second subdivision, you want to find N of B and N of U, the universal set. Okay, no problem. Here, what's the given information for this problem? N of A is equal to 25, N of B is equal to 40, and N of A union B is equal to 50. N of B dash equal to 25. You want to find N of A intersection B and N of universal set, number of element in the universal set. Actually, you know the 4 result with the 3 node. Here I can apply the node because I want to identify N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. Yeah, minus N of A union B. Just to substitute these values in the formula and you got the answer for N of A intersection B. Next, N of U, N of the number of element in the universal set. Yeah, actually we learn the formula N of A plus N of A dash. But here we'll use the set B. That's why I can use N of B plus N of B dash. Both are same only. For N of U, you'll use 2 formula. N of A plus N of A dash or N of B plus N of B dash. 40 plus 25 is equal to 65. That is the solution for first one, first solution. They will ask 2 questions. N of A intersection B and N of U. The universal set. Number of element in the universal set. Okay, once you have finished, try to complete the second problem. Try to complete the second subdivision, not second subdivision. First one, second subdivision. Student, don't unnecessarily unmute your audio. And next one, second subdivision. First one, second subdivision. N of A is equal to 300. N of A is equal to 300. N of A union B. N of A union B is equal to 500. N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is equal to 50. And N of B dash, which is equal to 350. Here you want to find N of B and N of universal set. Okay? Number of element in the universal set. These 2 information you want to identify. Okay, fine. First one, N of B. What is the given information is related with N of B? N of A union B, N of A intersection B. Is any connection between these 3 with the N of B? N of A union B, N of A intersection B. Is any connection between N of B? Yes, we have that connection. What's the connection? That we know the formula N of A union B. That N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay. This one, and this one. These 3 are, okay, these 3 are, yeah, these 3 are known information. Okay, these 3 are known information. Then using these 3 information, you will identify the N of B. Now we can substitute N of A in union B. What's the value of N of A in B? 500. And N of A, that is 300. We don't know N of B. Okay, we don't know the information about N of B. No problem, as it is, we'll write. Minus N of A intersection B is 50. We'll simplify first. 300 minus 50, that is 250. 500 equal to 250 plus N of B. I want to find the value of N of B. Okay, the remaining values will move on to the next slide. 500 minus 250, which is equal to N of B. Then what is the value of N of B? 250. Therefore, the value of N of B is equal to 250. The value of N of B is equal to 250. We'll find the answer for the first one, N of B. Okay. For N of B, I can apply N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Using this idea, I'll identify N of B. Next one. I'll move on, I'll move on to identify n of u, that universal set. Okay, how many number of elements in the universal set? Okay, how many number of elements in the universal set? N of u, which is equal to, here we know n of a, but you know the two information about set b, n of b and n of b dash. Okay, n of b dash and n of b. Now we can substitute these two values, n of b plus n of b dash, n of b plus n of b dash, n of b plus n of b dash. What's the value of n of b? That is 250. N of b dash, which is equal to 350. Now we'll add these two values, 250 plus 350, which is equal to 600. Is equal to 600. Is equal to 600. Students, someone has unmuted your audio. Okay, therefore, n of u is equal to 600. Let's complete this problem. Then n of u for the previous problem also. Yeah, for the previous problem also we'll apply n of u is equal. Student, don't unmute your audio. Student, check your network connectivity. Okay, because only the few person has some network problem. Because only for few members has some problem. Check your network connectivity. Yeah. So complete this problem, that n of u is equal to n of b plus n of b dash. 250 plus 350, which is equal to 600. Okay, once you have finished the second subdivision, we'll move on to the second problem. Yes, finished. The next one, second sum. Yes, everybody finished. The next problem. Second question. Here they will define a universal set in the set builder form. Universal set u is equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than or equal to 10. Okay, x takes the value set of all natural number which is less than or equal to 10. And element of set A and element of set B they will given. Then we'll verify the property. Okay, verify the property. We'll verify the property that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. We will verify the property. Second problem, they will define a universal set U x such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than or equal to 10. We'll write the element of the universal set U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the element of the universal set U. Okay, this is the element of the universal set U. Also, they will give an element of set A and element of set B. Element of set A 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. And set B, element of set B 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. Yeah, 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. Yeah, these are the element of set B. These are the element of set B. Okay, fine. Here we'll verify the property n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. What are the required things for this problem? You want to find A union B, A intersection B. Also, you can identify the cardinal number of A, B, A union B, A intersection B. These information you can identify for this problem. First, you'll identify A union B. Union between the two sets A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. This is A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. Next step, A intersection B. Intersection are common. Which elements are common between the set A and B? Which elements are common? 2 and 8, 10. 2, 8, 10. These three elements only common between the set A and B. 2, 8, 10. Okay, now we can identify n of A. How many number of elements in set A? N of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N of B. How many number of elements in set B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N of A union B. How many number of elements in set N of A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N of A intersection B. How many number of elements in A intersection B? A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3. There are 3 elements. Okay, now we can verify this property. I'll directly substitute and verify the property. Once again, you can write the result here. Now we can substitute 7 equal to n of A is equal to 5. N of B is equal to 5 minus 3. And 7 equal to 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 7 equal to 7. Hence verified. Okay, hence verified. At the end of the problem, we'll write the result. Hence verified. Yeah, hence verified. The second problem, just will check that n of A and B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. At the end of the step, we'll write a hence verified. That is enough. Okay. Hence verified is enough. For 7 equal to 7, at the end, after 7 equal to 7, you'll write hence verified. That is enough. No need to once again repeat that n of A and B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A. Yeah, that is not necessary. So already we'll quote that result only. That's why hence verified is enough for the end of the problem. Okay, these concepts are they will ask only in 2 marks. I think everybody will receive your cycle test schedule and cycle test portion. Once I remind you, your cycle test portion is exercise number 1.5 and 1.6. Okay. Can go through each and every idea in this 2 exercises. Don't miss in a single point also. But this time I need presentation. Okay. Definitely everybody will do a neat presentation. Present your paper neatly and complete all the problem. That is also must. Also try to complete the problem as we complete in the class. Okay, the same way you can proceed the problem. Just a few percent directly right answer. Directly right answer now for the answer alone will give only 1 mark for the step. Yeah, definitely you'll write a step with the answer. Don't write the direct answer. That is only lot of members lose your mark. Also, don't miss a single element also. Suppose that union of the two sets now, suppose you'll skip that one element or you'll miss the one element also, your answer is wrong. Next, third problem. Third problem, I'll do one subdivision. Remaining one subdivision, you'll do it as a homework. It's not today homework, tomorrow homework. For the third one, we'll verify that N of A union B union C is involving with the three sets. Okay, it is involving with the three sets. Union of the three sets A, B, and C. Union of the three sets A, B, and C. Okay, fine. I'll tell you the idea for the third problem. What's the idea for the third problem is that N of A union B union C, which is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. We'll identify everything. Okay, we'll identify everything separately. N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Yeah, this is only the union of the three sets. Okay, union of the three sets formula. Okay, what is the information they will given for the subdivision? First subdivision, the element of set A comma C comma E comma F comma H, and element of set B, element of set B, C comma D comma E comma F, element of set C, which is equal to A comma B comma C comma F. These are the element of set A, B, C. Yeah. First, you can identify A union B union C. A union B union C is a union of the three sets. Then N of A na, okay. Later we'll identify coordinate number for the set. A intersection B, common between the set A and B. Then common between the set B and C. Common between the set A and C. Next, common between three sets. Okay, common between the three sets. This idea we'll discuss in the next class. Suppose you know the idea, try to complete this problem. Okay, first subdivision you can try to complete, but I'll do it in the next class. Thank you, students. I will meet on next class. Try to complete the problem. It's not compulsory, but I can try to complete.